Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 13th day of March 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room live today. The setup is pretty much what we do every day. We look for failure, and then we look for the strong candle going in the opposite direction. So we got a really nice stair step going along. The buyers have come down. I'm sorry, the sellers have come down, failed miserably, and we get this amazing strong candle. We know it's a strong candle because of our green diamond pointing upwards, saying take the trade to the top of the screen, and that's what we're going to do. So we're going to look over here at another indicator at the PVI, saying, okay, I expect the next candle to be somewhere around 100 ticks in length. So we're going to pair our ATM to the volatility of the market. We're going to go for 21s, then we'll de-risk the trade completely and try and get our 50 and 100 tick runners. And this is how it all went down in the room today. We started out with a cover order over top. The market pushed straight down to begin with, which we love. And then when it comes back and picks us up, it's going to be a pretty easy little trade to the high side. So here's how it goes. I should bring this up slightly because we're going to have to put our stop where it belongs once we get picked up in this trade. I can leave it there or get a little bit closer. As soon as we get picked up and all of our targets are established, we will speed it up so we're not here all day. But the setup is brilliant. And here we go. Beautiful. Oh, look at all these. I mean, all these beautiful strong candles we took on the way down. Then we got this one on the way back the other way. So initially, we put our stop where it belongs, which is last major failure point. And then we wait for our first target to get hit. As soon as our first target's hit, our stop will come to a minus 18, effectively putting us in a break-even position. If the market comes back and takes us out, which it's not going to. All right, so we're 2 times 20, we're 40 plus 50, 90 ticks into profit, 450 US dollars. And now we're just waiting to see if we can get our longer range target out of this. So I can go ahead and speed it up now and show you the result. The longer the target, the longer it takes to get there. So just got to be patient. Boom, that takes us out. That trade took almost 3 minutes to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 3 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. The website just getting an upgrade and should be even a better experience than before. It was pretty good before, but now it's in excellent shape. So check it out, samuraidaytrading.com. We'll look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.